everyone, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. I am really excited to share this video with you. I have typically get really involved in the Christmas and holiday season, so I do a lot of baking, a lot of cooking, but this year I just wanted to kind of simplify things and just really enjoy my time and just kind of free up some of my time, quite honestly. So I decided to try a new product, which is new to me. It's been out there, I've seen it year after year, and I've just never tried it. So it's called Candiquick, and I have it right here. If you have not tried this before, I highly recommend it. I have used other melting chocolate products before, or chocolate melting products before, and they work great, but I do feel like I'm having to almost babysit it a little bit more, and this one was by far very easy to use. It comes with its own tray. I genuinely can't say enough about this product, and the flavor is unbelievable. Like, the chocolate is very smooth, and again, I just can't say enough. Mind you, this video is not sponsored, so I'm just really excited to share this with you. So they also have a white chocolate product, which you know I'm going to end up trying this season. So anyway, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you do so. And if you haven't subscribed or hit the notification bell, make sure that you do that here as well. With the holiday season, I'm going to be uploading a little bit more videos, so I just want to make sure that you're notified and that when that comes out, you'll be able to watch it. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here is our Candiquick package, and as you can tell on the side, we are going to go ahead and microwave this, and it only needs to be in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. So here is the product. It does come in its own tray, and as you can tell, the chocolate is divided, so you can actually break these into pieces if you're not going to use the whole thing, but we're melting the whole thing. Here we go. It's 1.5 minutes. I actually checked it after 1 minute. I think it's just because that's how I've used the other products. I tend to check it after a certain amount of time, but this one really didn't need it. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a platter with wax paper on it. Okay, so I am going to be using these Snyders Pretzel Rods. And let's just go ahead and dip this right in. I'm going to use a spoon just to kind of pour that over the pretzel itself. Okay, so here are quite a few pretzels I went ahead and dipped, and now I'm going to be using the Wilton's Sprinkles package. There's 4 of them in a package, and it's like their Christmas theme. So I'm going to go ahead and just speed right on through this. Now, as you can tell, the red and green sprinkles kind of melted into the chocolate, so I'm going to go back and do those in a second. Okay, and I'm also going to be using some crushed walnuts, some crushed peppermint, and then some chocolate sprinkles. And that was actually the first pretzel rod that I dipped, so I should have gone the opposite direction, but I just re-dipped it in the chocolate and then just added the chocolate sprinkles. Okay, so I'm going to set those aside and let those set. And here I'm going to be using the Oreo Mega Stuff. You don't have to use that. I thought it would be easier just to use a fork and kind of like puncture the filling, but the cookie itself kind of fell apart, so I just decided just to dip it and use a spoon. So again, you don't have to use one that has that much filling in the middle. Okay. So here I have gone ahead and dipped 6 of them. And again, I'm just going to use the same products. I'm going to use using the sprinkles from Wilton's, the crushed peppermints, the walnuts. And here I'm also going to be using the Nestle Townhouse Mini semi-sweet chocolates. And then also the chocolate sprinkles. I just took the lid off because I was Having trouble getting that to come out. Okay, so here we go. We've been using this product for about 15 minutes, and as you can tell, it's still melted. And I was inspired by Candy Pop. I had some of this the other day, and I thought, oh my gosh, it's so good. So we're going to use the Orville Redenbaucher's kettle corn popcorn. Okay, and I popped that, but I only ended up using about a third of the bag. I want to see how much I can actually get out of this particular tray. So let's go ahead and drizzle this over the popcorn. Okay, so I'm going to be using the mini M&Ms, but I got these the baking bits, so they were in the baking aisle. And then I'm just going to spread that right over the chocolate itself. And I'm just going to drizzle a little more chocolate over that and add some more of the little mini M&Ms. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Okay, so my next product, I am going to be using the Kellogg's Rice Krispie Treats. And I like these because they're individually wrapped, so I did not make a tray myself. But as you can see, the chocolate is starting to thicken, and this is about 23 minutes into the initial melting. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that back in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and that's really all it took, and it just melted right up. So let me go ahead and re-dip these. Now the Rice Krispie Treats are a little sweet, so I'm not going to add any toppings to it. It's just going to be the melted chocolate. Okay, and here I am using these sourdough pretzels, and they're a little thicker. I had seen a different package, but they were really thin, so I like these. And again, I'm just using wax paper so that they don't stick. And let's go ahead and add these sprinkles and toppings on there. Okay, so as you can see, because there's less product in here, it is starting to thicken a little faster. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that in there for only 15 seconds. And that's all it took. It just melted that right back up. Okay, so for our final product, I'm going to go ahead and use Townhouse Flipsides. And they're really just really thin pretzels, like in that oval shape. And I'm just going to add my toppings.
Okay, well, that works.
Let's just add the rest of it. Okay, so as you can tell, we pretty much used up all of the melted chocolate. And I also wanted to show you these little plastic wrappers. They're specifically for pretzels, so you can use them as gifts. So what I'll do is make sure that I place links in the description below for all of the products that I've used today. And there you have it. Look at all these amazing treats that I made with just that one package of the Candiquick. I highly recommend it. Run out and get it, you guys. It's absolutely wonderful. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do hope that you've enjoyed this video. And if you do end up making any, make sure that you tag me on Instagram. And if there's something that you want to see, just make sure that you leave a comment down below. Anyway, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Thank you all for watching, and as always, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Love you all. Until next time.